Welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorial in which you will learn how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. The method I'm about to show you is one of the easiest methods that I have ever found. And it's very beginner friendly, and you don't need any technical skills to start. In fact, you can start earning money right after you watch this video. So, let me share the steps that you can follow and hopefully make some money by the end of this video. But first and foremost, what is affiliate marketing? This is when you promote somebody else's product. You don't have to handle customer support, you don't have to ship the products, you just collect your affiliate commissions. And in this case, I'm promoting a software called Assistant.io. This software allows me to create landing pages and websites. And I actually use it on a daily basis. I really loved this software. And nowadays, pretty much all tools and every software has an affiliate program. So, when I scroll down to the bottom of this page, what I can see here is the products. It says affiliate marketing, so I can become an affiliate to this product. And then, I can start promoting it to my audience. And I'm going to show you how to create your own audience and how you can start driving traffic to your affiliate links. And when it comes to affiliate links, let's go back to my affiliate dashboard. And when I sign up to this system as an affiliate, you're going to see my unique affiliate link. And every time somebody signs up through my affiliate link, I'm going to get a commission. Now, let me give you a couple of examples. The second example I'm going to give you is the FL Studio. It's a software that lets you create music for people who want to produce any type of hip-hop, dance, music, etc. Also, when you scroll down to the bottom, it has an affiliate program. Next tool is Canva.com. Canva.com is a tool that lets you create designs without any Photoshop skills. And when you scroll to the bottom, it has an affiliate program. Why I'm showing you all these tools is because I want you to understand that the possibilities are endless. You just have to pick a tool that you're using on a daily basis. Always choose the products you are interested in. So, one last example is Amazon. On Amazon.com, when you scroll down to the bottom, what they have is become an affiliate program. And now, let's go back to my first example, which is the tool I'm actually using and promoting to my audience. And here is something very important. You have to remember this. Do not promote tools or products that you don't like. Only promote products and services that you love and you think they're high quality. And this is why I promote the System.io, because I really love it. I think it's very beneficial, because it's cheap, it's very reliable, and very powerful. After you have found the products you want to promote, either a music software or a kind of Photoshop design software or even Amazon. After you have found the thing you want to promote, the next step is bring eyeballs to your affiliate links to create your audience and to drive traffic to your affiliate links. The old school way of driving traffic was to create a blog post. Basically, it's a long process, and anyways, we are not using this. Now, the easiest way is to shoot a YouTube video. Here is an example in YouTube. Go to YouTube and type System.io, that's just a keyword. And when I scroll down, we see a lot of videos related to System.io. Some of them show their faces, but some of them are faceless channels. What I mean by faceless channels is, when you click this video, basically, the person behind this channel is just showing how the website works. He's doing a screen recording with some voiceover. He's talking on a microphone. And even the video you're watching right now, I'm not showing my face. I'm just talking straight to the microphone. This is why, remember when I told you in the beginning, you need or you must love the software you're using. You must have a very good understanding of the tool you're using. Because if you don't like the software you're using or the product, you cannot make a good review or tutorial. So, as you can see in the description of his videos, like this one, what we have here is an affiliate link to sign up for System.io. So this is this person's affiliate link. And when you click it, it actually asks me to sign up for this. So, it's a win-win situation, because when I watch this video, I can understand how the product works. And I have a better understanding on how to create a better landing page or a website, and then I can sign up through his affiliate link, which generates a good commission for him. So now, how to record the screen? Well, on Mac, you can use QuickTime. But when I use a Windows machine, I was using Camtasia. So, type Camtasia, it has a free version and also a paid version. Or you can just type in free screen recorder and find some free screen recorders. You can just record your screen with voiceover on it. Now, if we go to the next example, which is FL Studio, the music software, I typed here, Fruity Loops Tips and Tricks. And I found this channel called FL Studio Tips. Again, faceless channel with hundreds, even thousands of viewers. If I click this video, it has a lot of affiliate links related to FL Studio. And I know you have question in your head. How am I going to do that with 0 subscribers? Well, today I have 2 subscribers on this channel that you're watching right now. The solution is, it takes effort, it takes time, and you have to invest it with discipline. So if we go back to the Amazon, I found a video related to trucker on YouTube. Here it is, I just typed Dial Pro. There are a lot of people, they have made a lot of videos. But this one is just a faceless video. We can see, this one, it has 180,000 views. So, we can see that this person is just recording with his other phone or camera with his hand. And that's it. He's just talking about how these product works. It's not very difficult. If you scroll down to the bottom in the description, we can see this is an affiliate link to Amazon. And when I click it, we are redirected to Amazon. It's a Galaxy SmartTech, and it's still an affiliate link. And every time somebody clicks his links from YouTube, then go to Amazon and buys his product, he's going to make a commission. And here's my last tip. When it comes to affiliate marketing, I'm promoting tools and softwares because they have recurring revenue. Basically, every month I'm making money without promoting the product. Because, like I said, it's a monthly subscription product. Like every software, every service, like your cable TV network, you pay on a monthly basis for your subscription. This is the case with FL Studio and softwares like Canva. But this is not the case with Amazon. On Amazon, once you make the sale, that's it, you get your commission. You will not earn any more money. But with other softwares that I showed you, you can make your first sale, and every month, when the person is charged for his monthly subscription, you too will get a commission. So basically, you are creating a passive income stream by promoting softwares that have a monthly subscription as a service or model. So in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is not so difficult. In my opinion, it's one of the best business models ever created. The final step you can do is hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos. I hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Cheers.